Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Chargeback app. So let's get started. So here you have to go and open your Google Play Store, or you like if you're Apple user then open your Apple Store, or you can directly search on your browser also. So here I am using Google. Okay, so as my search here, and here I will just search for the Chargeback app. Okay, then just click on the search button. So here I can see here I have the recover chargeback app. Okay, just click on here, and here you can see the install option. So to download and install, you have to click on the install button, and it will be directly download and install automatically via your Google Play Store. Okay, and you can use it. So by this way you can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.